can't win, I can't reign.
The social workers that have been helping us during day and nights throughout these hard times. Thank you, and we love you.
I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fly. I will never make it by without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight. All I need is you.
Thank you to the FDNY for keeping us safe every day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for everything you do.
The candles burning low now. It's getting hard to see. I don't know how to move forward without the light that lights the way, guiding me. At the end of the day, the candle don't burn that bright anyway. We're just trying to be okay. We'll all grow a little bit older, just another weight on our shoulders. And don't forget the invisible hand guiding us through things no one could have planned. We'll just have to be our own light in the end.
Thank you, brave soldiers, for keeping me safe. There's so many words, but not enough to say. Thank you, brave soldiers, for weathering these storms, for keeping my loved ones safe in my arms. Thank you, brave soldiers, for risking your lives. Genders, doctors, nurses, we're all on your side. And though you are many, we'll never forget. Your names we will carry for decades on end. There's no way to thank you for all that you've done, but with your great courage, this war will be won.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright, blessed day, the dark, sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're merely saying, I love you. I see babies cry, and I watch them grow, and they'll learn much more than I'll ever know.
and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
The skies are feeling low and the people are at home. The sickness only spreads. How do we fix this mess? And money's getting hard and there's worry in our hearts. But through all these times of trouble, the workers are at their prime. So thank you to the teachers and thank you to the nurses. Thank you to all the people who risk their lives on purpose. We're gonna make it through and our lives will be anew. There's hope in our hearts thanks to those who play their part.